Hello, Mr. Finance. How are you? No, I'm calling about my payment. Yes, all the deliverables have been sent. Quotation, invoice, hata e-teams invoice nimetuma, kila kitu. No, I think your phone is breaking because you keep saying 90 days. Minus weekends and public holidays. Hi. See that? Hello? No. See that will be next year. Hi. Na amekata simu. What? How am I gonna survive, man? Did you know that Kenya has over 1 million workers in the gig economy? And that's all your cameramen, photographers, sound guys, DJs, MCs, influencers, content creators, the whole shebang. But a not so fun fact, less than 10% of the people in the gig economy can survive for more than a month without a job. Would you like to know how to survive the ups and downs of the gig economy? Well, stick around for this episode of Money Master.
If you work in the gig economy, you understand that the income can be very irregular. One month you're balling, eating steak, sipping wine, and another month, things can be tight, biting through dry ramen noodles. We need to make the good months pay for the bad months.
Freedom is important to you. You get to plan your own time, you're making use of your talents and passions, but this freedom is not free. It comes at a cost. You're not like a company which is more organized, kuna mtu wa finance, income is regular. For us, you only have yourself. We gathered some gig workers to help us unpack this, and let's see how prepared they are to navigate the world of business.
Yeah, I'm a DJ by profession. I am an MC professionalist.
I'm a makeup artist na kuaga mtu wa biashara.
How do you call a tax that is being deducted on your service by the client?
Financial bill.
Relief tax.
What is SOA?
Savings.
Hakuna kitu najua.
By when should you have filed your taxes every year?
June 30th.
31st July.
What does limitation of liability mean?
Explain. Yani ina limit venye unawapata pesa na wanakata.
What is the difference between VAT and WTAX?
Najua VAT, lakini wengine ni noma. VAT is a tax added on products, and WTAX is on services offered.
Uko na backup plan, kitu ikifanyikia biashara, alafu pia kiafya.
Equipments, naweza kuwa na backup plan. Hata zangu zikikuwa ni noma, most of the squeezy ni rahisi. Si lazima nibebe equipment yangu kwenda job. Health sina.
Loan.
Hiyo ni backup plan ya biashara, si ndio? Kiafya?
Hiyo. About the NHIF ama. Saa ingine hujalipa, unabaki stranded. Unaanza kutafuta watu watakupatia. Health-wise, obviously, yeah, health insurance. Business-wise, savings. Every month I have somewhere like I'll save for emergency or for like as just a backup.
Honestly, currently I don't have any backup plan, but on health, it's just the National Health Insurance Fund. I don't have any other backup plan.
As a gig worker, remember that everything is your responsibility. It's expensive to hire your own experts to help you. You have to learn how to do these things on your own so that you can be more self-sufficient. You have to learn how to do your own returns, your own bookkeeping, your own sales, contracts, negotiations, the whole shebang. But these basics are just the starting point. They're not enough to make sure you thrive in this business environment. You need to be prepared for all eventualities. To learn how to do that, we're going to play a game called Life Happens. Twende kazi. All right, guys, our participant for today is Navis. Navis, Come forth, my brother.
Yes, yes.
Karibu sana. Welcome to Life Happens.
I'm Hamod.
Tell us your names, your full names, and what you do.
I go by the name Navis Mageto.
Yeah.
And I'm a digital content creator and an influencer.
How long have you been doing it for?
It's been 2 years now.
Has the money started checking in?
Yeah,
Yeah.
can't complain.
How much have you saved so far?
With this economy.
So tell us, just be honest. Tuko pamoja kwa hii story. We are together.
For now tuseme tu niko na 10,000.
Talk me at least. Una try, bro. So, tell you what, we're gonna play a game called Life Happens. Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna paint a few scenarios that life throws to others. Okay?
Yeah.
And with your 10,000 shillings, I am projecting that in a couple of months, you'll have managed to save kitu ka 80 Gs. Sindio? Inawezekana?
Inawezekana.
Na year, sindio?
Yeah, inawezekana.
So listen to this. You get a call from a client, okay? A client who wants you to shoot some content for them. So?
Yeah.
So, but they're offering a little less than your rate card, okay?
Yeah.
They're offering 50,000 bob. Your 50K utachukua?
Hata angesema 30. Very fast.
But there is a catch. They're going to pay you in 90 days after completing the project. Are you gonna still do it?
I'll have to because I need the money.
So that's not it, my brother. Since you're one of the top content creators in your area, all right? You've been invited for an event and you have to show up there looking so fresh and so clean.
Yeah.
Meaning you're gonna need an extra 20,000 ya kupiga look.
Hey, lazima iteswe.
So uko na 80K, 20K ya kupiga luku, umebaki na pesa ngapi?
Tabidi tu nimetoa hiyo 20, nibaki tu na 60.
Sawa, but kitu fani ime happen. Okay? Mtu ameingia kwa keja yako, mazee ulikuwa umeenda kuanika nguo hapo upstairs, mtu akaingia keja yako, mazee simu missing.
Kwanza hiyo ni maisha.
Simu missing, simu yenyewe utumia kushoot content. Simu ni how much? 150 ngwizis. Umeamua kupiga simu. Mazee wa madeni umegadha, umebai simu ingine. Meaning umebaki na how much? Negative 90,000.
90,000, yeah.
So uko negative 90K plus promise fulani ya 50K.
Hata kwanza nimesikia joto.
Hii
Ninaweza toa koti tu
no, toa tu koti. Hii ni mbaya.
Ni mateso bwana.
Hii ni chunga hiyo Jacob is potable. But I tell you what, my brother, usilie. Right here on Money Master, we have experts who are going to come and help us break down through all these life scenarios. Tony Mwangi, karibu sana.
Navis.
Yes.
Pole sana, bro. I'll tell you what, we look for less than 10,000 shillings. 10K per year. I can get you a cover for up to 1 million shillings. I'll cover not only the phone, the 150K phone, hata vitu za hao.
Aje sasa.
Tele, sound,
Laptop,
laptop, a sofa, bed. Heritage Liberty will give you a cover called domestic package, and that will be able to cover you for all your household contents.
Uko sure ni hiyo 10K kweli ama tunaongelea stories? Unajua
What we'll do, Navis,
Yes.
It's 10K,
Yeah.
but I want to sit with you so that I can give you more information and we can fill in the forms. So whenever you are ready, please let me know, okay?
I'll give you that time.
Yes.
I'll give you that guy.
All right, bro.
Thanks.
Okay. All right, guys, and to all freelancers, like I've told Navis, for just 10K. 10K ndio hata yezi last weekend mzima, si ndio? For just 10K, you're able to get cover for all your... Hey, bro, what's going on?
I'm good. Just a little under the weather.
You sure?
Honestly, I'm fine.
Hey, you've been having this cough for a whole week and I've been telling you to go get checked.
I'm good. In any case, I don't think my wallet can afford.
How much do you think it will cost to get a medical?
I promise I'm fine. Let's just continue.
You sure you're okay? How do you operate this thing now? Bro, you sure you're okay? Guys, for just 50,000 shillings, a 24-year-old like this is able to get a cover for 1 million shillings inpatient and 100,000 shillings outpatient. So hii kitu sasa, how do someone please hold this camera?
Ako sawa? Ako fiti? Atakuwa poa? Pole bro manzi. Lakini hii shoot lazima endelea. Guys, you've seen it. It's not that hard. It's not that complex. Like for your equipment, manzi. The money you spend on a random weekend could be enough to cover all your valuables. And let's not forget the most important equipment of all, our bodies. Because we need this to work. That's why you need medical cover. So that if a medical issue comes up, you sort it out ASAP and get back to work. For more information about how you can start your financial plan, our experts are just one phone call away. Click the link below and start your journey. Remember to follow us on all our social media handles. All of them. You look for them and you follow them. All right? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that when a new episode comes out, you're inside. And just to whet your appetite, here is a quick sneak peek of what's coming next. Oftentimes in Kenya, healthcare is a very complicated scenario. What doctor do you go see when you have a broken bone?
Bone is something like that.
Pediatrician. I don't know. I've never heard of that.
What is someone supposed to do when someone around them has fainted?
If this person is in tight clothing, kindly ensure to loosen the clothing. Things such as ties can be removed and unbuttoning of the shirt will be helpful.
And then also, there's all this insurance jargon. But believe me, it's actually easier than you think.
The great thing about a buffet is that you get to choose what you want, right? So it's Heri Afya. It's customizable for you and your family.
For more information on how to get started, our experts are just one phone call away. So click the link below.